Today, we repaired a Samsung A40 that wasn't charging. After inspection, we found the issue, a damaged main FPC connector on the motherboard. Using microsoldering, we carefully replaced the connector with a new one. This process requires precision and skill to protect the motherboard. Once repaired, we tested the phone, and it's now charging perfectly. At High-Tech Phone Repair, we specialize in advanced repairs like this. If you're a local shop or business, we offer B2B services with quick turnaround, volume discounts, and guaranteed quality. Need reliable repairs? Let's work together. Follow for more repair stories.